guys, welcome to Lolly's cooking channel. You're welcome. How are you guys doing? How's your day? Do you want to learn how to make samosa? Stay with me. Let's make this samosa together. Very crispy. Let's make it together. Making samosa sheets. I'm going to be having a lot of people that I will be serving little chops to. So I want to start and make my samosa sheets. So let's get into it. God bless you. So for the samosa and the spring rolls, I will be having my flour, all-purpose flour. I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using 50 grams of cornstarch. I'm using my salt and water, and I have oil here. So let's get into the mixture. So I'll be pouring my flour into a large bowl. You need a large bowl. My flour is sifted, and I'm pouring in my cornstarch. I'm using 2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to mix them together. So I'm going to make a hole in between. I'll be putting in a little water, a little at a time. My water is in room temperature. So putting the water, mixing. Once I see that it's dry, I put in more water. So I'm going to keep mixing until I make a ball of my dough. So you can see my dough is all together, all one. So I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes and allow it, or 20 minutes and allow it to settle together. Then we'll start rolling. So now it has rested for 20 minutes. And here is the dough. So we're just going to knead it together a little. So we're going to be cutting it out. So you can see I'm holding it together just with your tongue. So I'm going to put generously flour on my, and I'm going to roll this out. We are rolling, we want it to be round. So you roll, you move. Want it to be as transparent as possible. Let it be a sheet. So I'm going to be putting it in a tray. You see, it's so transparent. So I'm putting it in a tray, and I'm starting the next one. So I'm going to be oiling this with oil. I'll be putting oil generously into it. So I lift this up and put it on top. And also oil this and put the next one on top. Oil and put it on top. This is all we'll be doing. So we're at the last one now. Make sure you can turn it like this. If you don't want to do it, you can get the fill, uh, this sheet to buy at your supermarket if you stay outside Nigeria. So we are done. Now is a good time to let's get our let's get it oiled. I'm going to be adding my shea. Okay. You oil it to the tip. You continue until you're done with everything. especially the edge. So now I'm going to be cutting it. I'm done. So I need it cut. So I'm using my pizza cutter to just cut it out. So now it's going into my oven for it to get toasted. I'm going to be toasting it in the oven. So here is it. I'm putting it in my oven. We're going to be toasting it. So here is it. It's out. So it's toasted, you see. It comes out one after the other. So this is what we want to achieve. It's even over toasted, the edge is already dry. So this is what we want to achieve.